The imported geology table is displayed in the scene. We can see there are some segments missing. To fix the errors, right-click on the LA geology table in the project tree. Select Fix Errors. We see a collar max depth exceeded error. This means that the depth in the LA geology table exceeds the maximum depth listed in the collar table. Click on the arrow to expand the error further. Click the arrow for the LA geology table. Click on the row to see the hole ID with the exceeding depth. This error occurs when the depth values in an interval table exceed the maximum depth listed in the collar table. This could be because the maximum depth was chosen prior to borehole drilling, meaning the interval table is more accurate. However, if the value in the interval table is not realistic, it could be an error in data entry, indicating that the collar table is correct. You will need to review the data to determine the appropriate action. In this case, the interval table is correct, so we will select the Fix Maximum Depths in Collar Table option. Click Save to save your changes. We can see we also have an overlapping segments error. This means that overlapping intervals down the hole contain conflicting information. Click on the arrow to expand the error. Click on the arrow for the LA geology table to expand the error further. Click on the row to see the hole ID with the overlapping segments. We can see here that there was a data entry error in the order of the numbers in the value when comparing the To column of row 46 to the From column of row 47. After verifying the correct entry, we can change the value directly in this interval table. Double-click the From column in row 47 to be able to edit the cell. Type 32.91 in the cell. Click anywhere outside of that cell to confirm the value change. Click Save to save your changes and fix the overlapping segments error. You can see we no longer have any errors in the geology table, but we will have one warning. Click on the arrow to expand the No Samples for Collar warning. Click on the arrow for the LA geology table to expand the warning further. Click on the row to see the hole ID missing samples for collar. We see an empty panel. This hole, hole 015, does not have any logged lithology records in the table that we imported. Close the Errors tab. You can now see the red exclamation mark has changed to an orange one, indicating that there are warnings on the table, but that the errors have been resolved. Steps completed.